Peace and blessings be upon our Master Muhammad, peace be upon him. Continuing with explaining to the client how to perform regular maintenance on his machine. God willing, we will do a mat cleaning set. The first thing we will do is come here and unscrew this screw and this screw. And we will completely remove this cover like this. Okay, there is a screw here in the middle of the assembly. A screw in the middle of this assembly, we will unscrew it.
Next to this arrow.
Yeah, all right. We'll lift this handle and lift that handle, and we'll pull from the outside. And of course, there's a lock here. We'll go in and take the group out. All right. Of course, before you disassemble any unit, you will clean it either with the blower by turning it around. If you don't have a vacuum, you will turn the blower's face to the side, and it will work as a regular suction. Okay, the first thing we will disassemble is this metal chassis, which is the support for the unit. All right, and we look here at the cotton bar, or the spark plug is intact. If it wasn't intact, you would replace it. I'll show you now how to replace it. First, we'll remove this clip.
Of course, have a regular screwdriver with you.
A regular screwdriver. I normally work with a GM screwdriver.
Remove the clip. Now here.
Now you will unscrew the screw.
Okay, and then we remove the bushing.
Let's move to the second bushing. You will have a pin here in this gear. Pull the pin down, gently pull the gear out slowly. Now let's return the handle like this, okay? And we proceed to take out the brush. Take out what? This bushing as well. Of course, the brush will appear in front of us here. We gently move it out. We will push the cotton bar down and take the brush out like this. It's the same process, but gently, so the system doesn't ignore us with the blower or with a brush or with the vacuum. If you don't have a vacuum, then as I told you, turn the blower around and use it as a suction. The cotton or the wick will come out with you like this. You'll get another one exactly like this. The most important thing is that it should be like this. In the 700, it differs from the 5200. The 700, that's a slightly wider iron chassis, and it has these locks and these two screws so that the cotton does not move right and left. We will clean now. All right, we filmed the mat, we cleaned it. This one is different from the 500. It has this wide lip, and this wide lip has these two screws here. These screws hold it in place on the lip so that the cotton filter doesn't move left and right, keeping it stable and not moving. After we take out the cotton filter, of course, we'll also use the vacuum, as we mentioned, to suck up these things or turn the blower. And after we use the vacuum and blower, initially there was no vacuum or blower, just a brush or cloth. Then with the blower, we will clean all of this. After we clean and do all of that, we will install the blade again. The blade, of course, the edge is on top and the screws are on top. It fits like this, not like that. No, it fits like this, the edge. All right, let's go. Gently with our hands, we insert it inside and bring the brush after we clean it well. After we clean the brush well, okay? And where do we install it? In this track here.
All right.
All right, so now we will install the clip here. After we clean it, of course. And we go to install the screw. And we install the washer.
And with it the clip.
Well, of course, you will install the clip with pliers. You can't install it with a screwdriver. That's it. Okay, let's move to the other side. We will also install the clip. The clip has a stopper like what? A stopper from here and a stopper from below. It has a track here, 2 stoppers, done.
We go and install the clip. Let's bring the gear.
Alright, we install the belt here first. If you want to remove this gear and install the belt, then do it. If you want to do it like I'm doing, that's fine. I install the belt here below first, then I install it above and go around. Done, the belt is installed. Of course, the gear also has a notch here with a notch in the here in the blade shaft. It fits. The notch must align with the notch Y so that it fits and the shaft moves. There you go. We're done. We'll go and install the pin. Okay, after we installed the clip and cleaned the metal chassis and all that, I didn't clean or do anything so the video doesn't get too long. We will install the holder that carries the entire assembly, the clutch assembly, and then I will install the first screw.
And the screw.
This here, the second one. Okay, and as I insert it, there's a groove here. A groove, see, above a groove where the what goes in, the groove of the assembly, very gently, like this, see?
Of course, this is pushed upwards. All right.
After I install, I make sure that the face of the assembly is fitted well, with no gap between it and the face of the transfer. Then I lower this handle and that handle and I install the screws. Install the screw in its place.
And I bring this one too and install it. And here's the facing screw.
And please, if you don't mind, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and support us so we can provide more educational videos. And I will leave the links to the videos below. If you have any questions about anything related to the machine, leave me a comment below the video, and I will reply to you, God willing.